So you guys, to begin with the first smoothie, I will be using 1 cup of strawberries, 1 cup of peaches, half banana, and 1 cup of orange juice. Okay guys, so this is the second smoothie that I will be making, which consists of 1 cup of mango, 1 cup of strawberry, half a banana, and 1 cup of apple juice. Now this smoothie is very delicious, and also, like I said before, you can change your liquid base to whatever you prefer. You can use orange juice, water, almond milk, coconut water, whatever you want, whatever your preference. Right here in this smoothie, I'm just going to be using apple juice. Last but certainly not least is the third smoothie, which consists of 1 cup of pineapple, 1 cup of mango, half a banana, and 1 cup of apple juice. Again, you can change the liquid as you prefer.